Sembut Menteri Gajelau bak Preston Tensong babat ru ya ketenat DCA ulaong bak Sorkar jelah kadang wat ya kilat Lynti ban pej ya kejing ki Nongtrei pok Jante Hills Autonomous District Council bat kumju ru jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Haba Ïadei bat kejing penjelan ya kasamoy trikam jong ki Artylli ki ADC Syah kan riu benai nak liang menteri ulaong ba nak kadau jong ka jingpan pol jong ki delimitation committee kumta ka Sorkar kelarai ban penjelan sah kan riu benai. Haba Ïadei bat kejing penjelan yang kasamoy trikam jong ki Artylli ki ADC Syah kan riu benai nak liang menteri ulaong ba nak kadau jong ka jingpan pol jong ka delimitation committee kumta ka Sorkar kelarai ban penjelan Syah kan riu benai.
We are working out. So we are working out. I think you will be able to know because some issues are there where I think the questions and then the motions will come up again during this current session. So CM will say something about it, and we are working out not only for that thing, not only for the Garo Hills Council, but even for the Jante Hills Council.
Sir, these non-gazetted employees, they are not getting salaries. They are raising issues out of that. So,
Non-gazetted what?
Non-gazetted employees of GHDC are not getting.
Both. Not only Garo Hills, Jante Hills and Garo Hills, both are not getting their salaries. Whether gazetted or non-gazetted, both are not getting their salary. I'm telling you. So therefore, now from the government side, we are working out. And I've already discussed with CM. That's what I'm saying. Now I will not say anything much because CM himself, he will speak during this current budget session.
Has the delimitation committee submitted their reports?
Not yet.
How long will they take?
That I don't know because they sought time. They sought time for another 6 months, and that's on the basis of that only we recommended to the governor for the extension of the term of both Khasi and Jante District Council.
So the royalty shares to both these district council, Garo and Jante has been cleared by the government?
See, these are all the ongoing process. It is not necessarily that every financial year ending you need to clear it all, depending upon the collection, and then after that deduction and then adjustment here and then the rest will be released to the respective district council.
So that means the government is thinking of bailing out both these two district councils?
Yes, we do that.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.